Prolific Cherokee author Robert Conley promoted Cherokee culture throughout his lifetime, writing more than 80 books over the course of his career. His first novel, Back to Malachi, was published in 1986. He said it was written out of anger at the misrepresentation of Ned Christie in Western literature. Christie was a Cherokee patriot who had been wrongfully labeled as an outlaw and murdered by lawmen. In 1992, Mountain Wind Song, a novel of the Trail of Tears, was released. Hailed as an American classic, Mountain Wind Song was adapted into a musical in 1995. Throughout the 1990s, Robert also wrote the Real People series. The 10-book-long venture illustrated events and figures from Cherokee history through a fictional lens. Then, in 1995, Robert was approached by Cherokee Chief Wilma Mankiller to write a complete history of the Cherokee Nation. The Cherokee Nation, A History, was published in 2005. It was the first Cherokee history written by a Cherokee Nation citizen and officially backed by the tribe.